we have kids that if you ask them what is 2 plus 2, what they do is that they pick up their calculator. Okay, instead of actually saying it by heart. Okay, these are some of the challenges of the fourth industrial revolution. It has weakened not only our attention span, but it has weakened that intelligence or the cognitive aspect of our humanity. Now, okay, that's for the fourth industrial revolution. Now let's pick it up. Now, what is learning disability? Let me quickly maybe make reference to authorities in the field. According to the Learning Disability Association of Canada, they put it that learning disability refers to a number of disorders, okay, which may affect the acquisition, organization, retention, understanding, or use of the verbal and non-verbal communication. That is what the Learning Learning Disability Association of Canada. That is their own definition of what learning disability is all about. But there is one famous one that most experts in the field always make reference to. It is called the US DSM-5, and DSM just stands for diagnostic, okay, and manual statistics of learning disabilities, and this is their own definition. They said a learning disorder is when an individual has difficulties learning and using academic skills that persist for at least 6 months, despite the provision of interventions, okay, that targets the difficulty. That is what the DSM-5. Okay, the DSM-5's definition of what is learning disability. But in my own kind of opinion, a learning disability is simply anything that actually stops us or that prevents us from mastering an activity. Anything that hinders us from understanding a particular concept. Anything that seems to do us, that blinds us from the truth or from acquiring knowledge is a learning disability. For example, pupils who find it very difficult to say A and N is an, or A and T is at. Okay, that is what is a signature or a sign of what? Of a specific learning disability. Does anybody have any questions, please, on what I've said so far? What learning disability? Now, what are the factors? What are those factors that cause